Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete all your files from Claude Projects. So to get started, let's open up the projects interface by clicking on the projects icon here on the left hand side of your screen. And here you should be able to see all your active projects. So go ahead and click on the one you're interested in. Let's say for this one, we're going to go to our YouTube production project and we're going to look at the files that we've uploaded here. So you can see your files, you can view your files here on the right hand side of your screen, and they should be underneath their own section underneath instructions. So if you want to delete all your files, you can simply click on this checkbox, and however many there are in your files, you can also select multiple and then click on this trash icon or delete icon. You can also do delete files individually by mousing over each individual file and then clicking on the X button at the top left of the file in question. So let's say we're going to go ahead and remove that. As you can see, it's that easy. So let's say, for example, we want to do that again for here. This one has multiple files inside of it. So if we click on each little box here, we're going to see 3 selected, and we can delete all 3 right there. So it's pretty much that easy. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.